Here is a definition of another graph. It's called the complement of a graph. Complement of a graph is again यहाँ पे हम use कर रहे हैं simple graphs. Okay, um, it's a graph where two vertices are adjacent in the complement if and only if they are not adjacent in G. Okay, अगर G के अंदर वो adjacent हैं तो वो complement में adjacent नहीं होंगी. And if they are not adjacent in G, they must be adjacent in the complement. Okay. With this definition, what do you think would be the complement of Kn? Complete graph on n vertices का complement क्या होगा? Complement of K4 क्या होगा?
Sir, can you explain the definition again, please?
Yeah, sure. So मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि if अगर आपके पास let's say ये G है और ये G complement है और यहाँ पे दो vertices हैं V1, V2 and they are connected here. तो फिर I know that V1 and V2 are not connected here. Okay. Similarly, if you have two vertices V1 and V3, V3 and V4 and they are not connected here, तो फिर V3 और V4 को हम connect कर देंगे complement के अंदर. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
for, yeah. So what would be the complement of a complete graph?
Therefore, Kn like
Only the
instead of the
vertices.
graph, there'll be just
There
Yeah.
won't be any edges, I guess.
Yeah. There won't be any edges. Yeah.
Only the
This,
vertices.
yeah. This is the complete graph complement on four vertices. Right? Complete graph contains all the vertices. The complement of complete graph does not contain any vertices. Complete bipartite graph का complement क्या होगा? So what's the complement of KMN?
No edges between two particles.
Okay.
और x और y में होंगे आपस में vertices.
Yeah. So X would be completely connected. Okay. Similarly, Y would be completely connected, and there are no edges in here. Okay. So this part would be Km, a complete graph on M vertices, or this would be a complete graph on N vertices, and there are no edges in between. Okay. So complete graph का जो complete bipartite graph का जो complement है, it's the union of two complete graphs, Km and Kr. Are we good? Because remember यहाँ पे original graph में we had no edges here and we had no edges here. All the edges were in here. Okay. So what you do is you remove all these edges. अब यहाँ पे नहीं होंगे. You put all the edges which were missing there and you put all the edges which were missing there. Okay. So you get a graph which has two parts and they are not connected by anything, but these two parts in itself are completely connected. Okay. Are we good? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Here's an exercise which I'm going to leave for you guys, but I can answer any questions that you ask me on this. Okay. If you have a graph on n vertices and it's a self complement, then show that n mod 4 must be equal to 0 or 4. N mod 4 must be equal to 0 or 1. You can ask me any question if you want.
सर ये self complement का क्या मतलब है?
So self complement का मतलब ये है कि a graph is isomorphic to the complement of itself. Okay, so let me give you an example. So for example, if I start with C5, okay, what do you get in C5? C5 may you have these vertices. Okay, so you have C1, sorry, V1, V2, V3, V4, and V5. Okay, let me construct C5 complement. v1, v2, v3, v4, v5. Okay. Okay, who is going to tell me v1 किससे connected होगा यहाँ पे?
V4 और V3 से.
या v4 और v3 से connected होगा. और v2 किससे connected होगा?
V5 और V4 से.
सर ये स्टार बन जाएगा.
और v5 is connected to v3. Okay. My claim is that these two graphs are isomorphic. They're the same graph. And the labeling is that if I label v1 with, let's say, v1, v2 with, what do I want to,
V4 कर दे और
yeah, v4
V5 V3 कर दे.
और v3 को मैं कर देता हूँ v2 और v5 को कर देता हूँ v3 as you said, और v4 को मैं कर देता हूँ what is remaining, v5. Okay, so if you look carefully, so you'll see that this is actually the same thing. It's the same cycle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ये एक ग्राफ है जो सेल्फ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है. अब इसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट लोगे तो you get exactly the same graph with different labels. Okay, so it's an isomorphic. It's isomorphic to its own complement. तो इस तरह के ग्राफ को हम कहते हैं कि it's a self complement graph. So by the way, अगर हम यहाँ पे n हमारे पास 5 है तो n mod 4 करेंगे तो you will get 1. Okay, which is fine, right? Which is what we wanted. कि a graph अगर self complement है तो फिर number of vertices would be either divisible by 1 or उनका mod by 4 would be 1. Any questions?
Sir, do you remember the question we asked you for the assignment, like the senators one?
Yeah, I do.
So yeah, so we looked it up on the internet as well. There is a way we could solve it using graph theory as well. So if you could
Okay.
find time to explain if we could do it, like if you could explain us how we could go about it through graph theory as well.
Okay. So मुझे लगा जैसे मैं कर रहा था that was probably the right way to do it. So देखो उसके अंदर मैंने सिर्फ एक information आपके लिए छोड़ दी थी. Everything else was fine. So let me. So the thing is, you have so you have a graph on 51 vertices, I think, or you know that out degree of each vertex is 3, and you want to partition vertices into minimum number of partition vertices into minimum number of parts, which are, as someone just said, पता नहीं किसने कहा है, शायद एमन ने कहा है कि we want to partition them into parts which are independent. Okay, independent in the sense कि उनके अंदर कोई edge नहीं है. So the claim was that the minimum number of parts is 7. So मैंने आपको ये बताया था कि if you start constructing such a graph, तो फिर you can always make sure that the number of parts is at least 7. Okay, ये 7 से कम नहीं आ सकता. That's ये वाला जो part है ना, that's easy to see मेरे ख्याल में. Do you want a proof for this part or the part that this is you can do it with 7?
part that we can do it with 7?
The part where we say that we can do it with 7 is मेरे ध्यान में उसका ग्राफ थ्योरेटिक प्रूफ नहीं है, मैं तो उसको इंडक्शन के थ्रू ही करूंगा, the way we did it last time, that you show that there exists a vertex जिसकी in degree less than or equal to 3 है. Okay, remove that vertex और फिर बाकियों के ऊपर you can color it, and then that you can place these vertex in one of those 7 parts. Okay, I don't know a more easy. मुझे तो ये बहुत आसान प्रूफ लगता है कि you show that there exists a vertex जिसकी in degree 3 है, 3 या 3 से कम है, which means के इसके ऊपर जो number of incident edges हैं वो 6 के equal है या 6 के कम है. Now by induction you partition everything else. Okay, so these are the 50 guys जो remaining है, you partition it into 7 parts. Now you place this part into a place जिनमें इसके 6 नेबर नहीं है. Okay, so इसके जो 6 नेबर हैं वो यहाँ पे कहीं पे हो सकते हैं ना. Let's say V1, V2, V3, V4, यहाँ पे missing है V5, V6. Okay, they can't be in all 7 parts. Okay, there must be a part जिसमें इसका कोई नेबर नहीं है. So we can place this guy in that part. मेरे ध्यान में इससे ज़्यादा आसान प्रूफ नहीं आ रहा. If you have a link, तो send me the link. I'll probably go through it and see if that works. Isn't it easy? What's the hard part? No. This is not sort of a proof by intimidation. You can let me know if there is something that's bothering you.
I just wanted to see how we could like go about it through graph theory better.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know a more direct proof. All right. So for the graph theory part, आपकी जो book है उसके अंदर कोई बहुत interesting graph theory नहीं है. तो I found this book by Bondi and Murty. Okay, graph theory with applications. बहुत basic है, बहुत simple है. तो I thought कि इसको पढ़ना भी आसान है. बहुत छोटे-छोटे chapter हैं, 1-2 पेज के. उसके बाद exercise है. There's a section 2-3 पेजेस का और उसके बाद exercises हैं. कुछ चैलेंजिंग भी है उसमें से. ये मैंने जो एक्सरसाइजेस की हैं उनमें से अक्सर इसी बुक में से हैं. ओके, डेफिनेशंस. तो आई थिंक दिस इज सॉर्ट ऑफ अ बुक दैट यू कैन sort of keep by your bedside and read it in leisure. Okay, ये इस तरह के अंदर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा involved नहीं है. तो you should go through this. इसकी जो exercises हैं. Okay, again. Graph theory with applications by Bondi and Murty. Okay, I'm going to leave you guys. I don't think I can go through another half hour and half. Okay, मेरा गला बिल्कुल बैठ गया है. बड़ी मुश्किल से half an hour किया है. Okay, if you have any questions, so drop me an email. I'll be available on email. Or we'll give you a homework, I think, on Thursday after the next class. Abhi, you can go through the exercises of this book. Baki will do more graph puzzles next time. ठीक है. Sorry, can you repeat?
मेरे class है 3:45.
We don't have a class today at 3:45. Okay, I can't. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah, we don't. Sorry. Yeah, बोलो.
सर नेक्स्ट वीक के एग्जाम का सिलेबस क्या होगा?
Everything we covered after exam 2, okay, which is counting and graphs.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
और सर इस एग्जाम के बाद फाइल?
No, हमने अभी probability करनी है.
तो उसका भी
We have
एग्जाम
to
होगा?
do.
For our final exam, we will have like the entire syllabus or
Yeah,
whatever
yeah.
we've covered after?
No. So after this exam, we have only one topic left to cover. That's the discrete probability, which is sort of a breeze. हम 2 lectures में शायद कर लेंगे. उसके बाद जो आपका final exam होंगे, it encompasses everything we have done in the semester. Okay, so it will be whole. It will actually be a final exam. Okay.
Okay, sir.
क्या?
तो सर एग्जाम 3 के बाद आप आखिरी होमवर्क देंगे?
होमवर्क तो आपको मैं ये थर्सडे को दे दूंगा ना. This homework will help you a lot preparing for your exam. Okay. And again, one of the thing is plan यही है कि we'll have exam on Thursday. But if things keep going the way they are going, और मैं extra lecture आपको नहीं दे सकता on Thursday or on Monday, so we will postpone the lecture, the exam by one lecture. Okay, तो हो सकता है आपका exam next Monday हो. Okay, which is let me just give you the date. I would really honestly want to do the lecture probably on Thursday or probably on Monday, but I'm not sure I can do it. So we will either have exam on 14 or on 18, but I will confirm this on Thursday. Okay, Thursday को हम confirm कर लेंगे. अगर Thursday को हम class कर लेते हैं एक extra, तो we'll have an exam on 14. If we can't, we'll have an exam on 18. Is it okay with everyone?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, awesome, great. Thank you guys. Do more of these graph theory puzzles. एक तो मैंने आपको बताई है और बाकी बुक से देख लें. Okay. See you on Thursday.